Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove a video background without using a green screen in VN Video Editor. So there are actually two different ways that you can do this in VN Video Editor. And the first one is using the cutout feature, which is the easiest and fastest method. And the second one is using Chroma Key, which give you more control over which color that you want to remove. So let's get started. First, just make sure your VN Video Editor is updated to the latest versions. And then just open it. And then just create new project by tap on this plus icon and then just tap on new video, tap on video paste like this, and then after that just add the background that you want to use in your video. In here I want to use a blank background like this, and then just tap on next, and then after that once the background is added to your timeline, just adjust the durations, just adjust it as you like this, and then after that just add the video that we want to remove the background from. Tap on overlay, this icon, and then next just tap on photos or videos, and then choose videos, and then next just choose the video that you want to remove the background like this. Adjust the size, for example like this, and you can also adjust the aspect ratio on here, and then just adjust the size like this. Okay, for example like this. Okay, like this. And then the first method is using the cutout feature. Just tap on the overlay, and then in here you can see the cutout feature, this one. Just tap on it, and then in here just simply tap on this AI cutout, and just like that, VN editor will automatically detect the subject and remove the background for you like this. This is the easiest method because you don't need a green screen or a specific background color on here. Just wait for the process, and you should see your subject spared from original background. And then in here you can also adjust the fader options on here, or expand the cutout, and you can also use the stroke effect like this around the subject. This can make your subject stand out more, especially for gaming, for creative editing. And then next let's move on the second method, which is chroma key. This method works by removing specific color from your video. This one, chroma key, this one. And it's similar to using a green screen, but difference is the background doesn't have to be green. But however, for the best result, make sure the background has a solid and consistent color, so it will make it easy to spare it from your subject. Just drag this circle, the color picker, onto the area of background color that you want to remove, just like this. And then after that, adjust the chroma key on here. You can adjust the intensity and speed like this. Just adjust it as you like. And after that, just tap on checklist. And okay, that's it. Those are two easy ways to remove a video editor without a green screen in VN Video Editor. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.